Review the warm-up. So right now we're going to review our warm-up. You should have your notes written down of how you solved the 3 number sentences. You should have looked at Mrs. Houck's videos if you needed to remember the near double strategies. And now I'm going to show you how to solve them. And you're going to be checking your work as I do that. That's your job. Okay, so the first number sentence was 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is a near double fact. It's close to a double fact. It's close to the double fact 4 plus 4, right? And it's also close to the double fact, and I'm going to write that one here, 5 plus 5, right? And we know 5 plus 5, that's a double fact and a 10 fact. And we know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So do we agree on those 2 things, right? Those are the 2 double facts it's closest to. If I'm trying to solve 4 plus 5, and I know 4 plus 4 is 8, then I can say that 4 plus 5 must be 1 more than 8, because 5 is 1 more than 4. So we must have 1 more than 8 right here, because 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Now let's say I'm going right with my 5 plus 5, because I know 5 plus 5 is 10. Well, if 5 plus 5 is 10, then 5 plus 4, 4 being 1 less than 5, 9 needs to be 1 less than 10, because this equal sign we know means the same as. So 5 plus 5 is the same as 10. 5 plus 4 is 1 less, so it has to be the same as 1 less, which is 9. Okay, so you should have an answer of 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. And showing some sort of double strategy in your work. Okay, so you could have done the 5 plus 5 or the 4 plus 4, but you do need to be showing that work. Let's look at the next slide, or the next problem, I should say. Okay. The next one, it's not letting me switch to it. Hold on a second. Oh, there we go. Got it. The next one is 6 plus 7. So I'm going to do my same strategy that I did before. I know that, I'm going to switch colors for us though. There we go. I know that 6 plus 6 is what? What do you know that 6 plus 6 is? Yep, it's 12, right? If I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, then I know 7 is 1 more than 6. So what's 1 more than 12? 13, right. Because it looks like this. 6 plus 6 plus 1 more, because see, 6 plus 1 more is 7, is the same as 13. So that's kind of the same thing as this. Because you have your 6 plus 6, that's your double fact, but you need 1 more because 6 plus 1 is 7. Do you see how I can do that with the numbers? And if I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and then 1 more is 13. Of course, you could do this with 7 plus 7 as well, just like we did in the last one. And we know 7 plus 7 is the same as 14. So that way we would know that 6 plus 7 must be 1 less, because 6 is 1 less than 7. So 1 less than 14 is 13. So of course we get the same answer, whichever way we look at it, right? 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, let's go on now to our last one. Hopefully your answers are matching up to this. Okay, our last one is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. I know 9 plus 9 is 18. It's a double fact, I know. And so then I know that 9 plus 8 must be 1 less, right? Because 8 is 1 less than 9. So 9 plus 8 must be 17. I could also do this with 8 plus 8 and do one more. 8 plus 8 is the same as 16. So if 8 plus 8 is 16, this is one more right here, right? 9 is one more than 8. So one more would be 17. So I should see 9 plus 8 is the same as 17 or equals 17. That's what that should look like. So hopefully your 3 warm-up number sentences look the same as mine and you were able to show your work. If not, go back and correct it now that you're looking at this, okay? Good job, everyone.